Kini ki jing penbena nak mentau COVID-19 na Meghalaya. Sementara si layo segawe ke kes. Mendala long baro sautuli ki aktif kes ke state Meghalaya. Ki belajem ki long saupu argut. Nang ta de total kes baro ke bangidon na Meghalaya ki long saupu nyo. Nang ta ki number ki bah lat pha ek sampel bentes ki long 4,000 live nyo. Iwei pra not lainyo kibla test negatif ado mentang si arnuri Jun kilong nyo hajar nyo spa sau huai iwei nyo sau iwei kibadang up pada ke test ado mentai ke report kilong aspa sanpo kibalawan na syabar ado mentai kilong pra hajar lai spa sanpo pra titai ba mentang si iwei aktif kes idei napo Riboy district iwan hak arab sautrik ujun hapo Meghalaya po Riboy ke Cikasa ke jongi ide bedai no sung jong state Meghalaya hi te gilat kumang itip ilalit tai kumba arbanai syate sipo Guwahati isa arbanai syate iwan hak arab sautrik mentau benai sni bawan hak ju sni ates ye positif labu hapo quarantine center but mentah hi andra no sipo corona care center mentang si Shenra
from Umden di mentah ke Janmit haka review meeting ila rai susu na kaliang jong sarkar ba ye ki hotels ki badon hapo ke jela ke jungi en sa pleno nadu ka shitrik ubnai Julai arpo batru yakane ngisim yakarai hadin bangilayo ya ke report ki inputs baro na ki deputy commissioners hapo jong jela ke jongi. But ya ki SOPs, protocols, nakaliang ke sarkar, kala penkrek ban isu menta, syabro ki deputy commissioners, bakin sengau bah, ban le ya kabadon kam. Din ba ki positive cases kinang kiu hapo Assam, but kumjuru nakaliang jong ke sarkar Assam, mene kilarai bandon biang ke total lockdown hapo Guwahati haka nongba ke jongki nadu ka arpu pratrik jong uneu benai na kementa artayo dan nakaliang jong ke sarkar jongi ngila ai ya ka direction lembau chief secretary ba un penmi ia koda lemba jongki district administrations ban appeal kerpang ya baro kinong snong jong gejela bakin ngau bha ban sangat ban lej siapo Guwahati lane siapo Assam light no kitu kikam ki bomla ki arshu bat kataru da ki application bat ka NOC ka bansa ai lengba ki deputy commissioners jong kajela Meghalaya jongi ngiyo i bakato ka case positive case ka bangiyo meneru nang te na Riboy district utu samla udai uba usyong syati sipo Assam la kumba arbanai bat kabaar mdei tangkata mdei tam usyong po Assam arbanai Guwahati udai ru unong kit uba banyak kali uba kit ya kene kadut ban supply dut syati sipo Assam te adin bangiyo i yakini ki na kata kadau na kaliang jong sarkar ka ai biang ya ko order syabro ki deputy commissioners bakin sengau ba ya ka jinglet syabar jong ke jelaru kandon biang ke restriction kenang ba ki paj ba jongi kenong save the decision that we taken last time relating to the tuition fees, school fees, draft notification has been approved by the government. I think today, if not today, tomorrow positively, notification will come out. And then I would request all of you, you can find out from Education Department the details of the notification. But notification is being prepared. Hopefully tonight or tomorrow it will come out. And second point, not only that, the notification will also come out not only for tuition fees. it will also come out for the private run hostels. Private run hostelers, we call it. Those people who run the hostels, or maybe what we call it, PG, in the form of PG. So that notification also is coming out from Education Department, and the order is being issued again today. And the order contains the words like this. It contains the wording like this: proprietors of private owned hostels. Proprietors of private owned hostels in the state of Meghalaya are directed to cease and desist from charging rent from students during the period of the lockdown beginning from 1st April 2020 till further orders. 1st April, because the total lockdown happens from the midst of March, but the notification take effective from 1st April 2020 till further orders. Okay? And again, those students who keep staying from 1st April, maybe because of their exams, or maybe because their parents or the family said, no, please don't come back, you stay there. For those people, they have to pay. You cannot pay, they have to pay. Not that they should not pay. Those who are already there, who are already staying there, who does not wish to go back to their respective places, they have to pay. But those people who has to go, means when the lockdown happened, so all of them, they started leaving the hostels. They don't have to pay the fees. And the fees, the notification says that from 1st April, the proprietor should not charge any hostel fees. Relating to the street hawkers, we discuss about this issue because we are also concerned about the livelihood of our poor people who earn their livelihood from these small businesses that they have all along the roadside. For your information, I would like to tell you, we have already constituted, notification was already in place, where we constituted 2 committees. One committee is under the chairmanship of the CEO, Shillong Municipal Board, and the second committee headed by the Deputy Commissioner Shillong or Deputy Commissioner of the respective district, to find out ways and means to make sure that the regulation is in place as far as the street hawkers are concerned. So today we decided in the review meeting, again, we have given the direction to these 2 committees. One is headed by the CEO Shillong Municipal Board, which falls under the jurisdiction of Municipal Board, and the other one is headed by the Deputy Commissioner outside the Municipal Board, to again identify immediately the appropriate places for accommodating these poor people so that their livelihood can be restored. So these are the decisions we taken in the review meeting today.